Hello, today we will guide you through how to change password in Meta Business Suite. If you need to update the password connected to your Meta Business Suite access, the quickest way is through your Facebook account settings, since your Meta login security is managed there. We'll walk through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Start by opening Facebook in your browser. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account icon. This opens the account menu, where you'll find the settings related to your Facebook and Meta account. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section groups together the tools used to manage your account, preferences, and security options. After that expands, click on Settings to open the full settings area. Once you're in Settings, look for the section that includes account-related options such as password, security, personal details, connected experiences, add preferences, and verification. Click into that area to continue. This takes you toward the broader account management tools connected to Meta. Next, click on Password and Security. This is the section where Meta keeps your login and account protection settings. If you're changing your password for security reasons, this is also a good place to review other protections later, such as login alerts or two-factor authentication, although for now, we'll stay focused on the password change itself. In the Password and Security area, click Change Password. You'll then be taken to the screen where Meta allows you to update your current login credentials. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete the password change. Typically, you'll be asked to confirm your current password and then enter your new one. Make sure your new password is strong and unique. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and it should be something you don't reuse on other accounts. As you finish, take a moment to double-check that the new password is entered correctly before saving the change. If your browser offers to save the password, only do that on a private and trusted device. And that's it. Once the update is confirmed, your Meta Business Suite access will use the new password tied to your Facebook account. If you're signed in on other devices, you may need to log in again using the updated password.